Hello everyone. In today's science class, I'm going to take a topic of food and digestion. In my previous video, you might have seen that what is a food and what are the different nutrients which are required by our body. Let's have a quick recall. In previous video, I have told you what is a food. Food is nothing but whatever we eat daily is called our food. And what are the nutrients? The different substances which are present in our body are called the nutrients. So we have mainly 5 different nutrients. They are carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals. And 2 more we have are roughage and water. So let us find out in this video how the digestion process occurs inside our body. The word digestion, the digestion means the breakdown of the food into a simpler form is called the digestion. And the process of digestion takes place in many steps. Okay, so there are lots of organs which are involved in the process of digestion. And these organs together forms the digestive system. Let us find out what happens when we eat our food. When we eat our food, the teeth present inside our mouth helps to chew our food. So, inside our mouth, along with the teeth, we have a tongue. So, tongue helps in mixing the food with the saliva. And saliva helps in the digestion of carbohydrate. Okay, so saliva contains the enzyme called the salivary amylase or the tide, which you will learn in your higher class. So from here, from the mouth, the food enters to the stomach and through a food pipe. The another name of food pipe is esophagus. Okay, so when the food moves from here to here, it takes around 7 to 8 seconds. How it happens? Actually, this part, the food pipe, is muscular. Okay, it has a wave-like movement. So the wave-like movement helps to push the food down inside the stomach. Once the food reaches inside the stomach, it stays here at least for 3 hours. So in 3 hours, the digestion of the food occurs. And then from stomach, the food reaches to the small intestine. Okay, so here you can see the small intestine. The length of the small intestine is larger than the length of the large intestine. So why we call it as, okay, let us see the length of the small intestine. The length of the small intestine is approximately 6 meters and 20 feet. And the length of the large intestine is 1.5 meters or the 5 feet. Okay, so why we call it as a small intestine? Because of its width. Okay, the width of this large intestine is larger. That is why it is called the large intestine. And after, from the stomach, the food reaches to the small intestine. In the small intestine, the final digestion occurs. This liver and the pancreas, they also helps in the process of digestion. What they do, they produce the digestive enzymes, and these digestive enzymes helps in the proper digestion of the food. After the digestion, after the final digestion happens inside our small intestine, the undigested food which is left out, it goes into the large intestine, and from large intestine the undigested food comes out through a anus. I hope you have understood the process of digestion. Now let us see one more small video to understand the process of digestion in detail.
Properly, it will help in digestion process. What happens to the food when it goes inside our body? I'll explain you that. First, let me tell you about our digestive system. The human digestive system comprises of the mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Now let us see the process of digestion. The main steps of digestion are ingestion, digestion, absorption, and egestion. It starts with the mouth, which has the teeth, tongue and saliva. Even before you eat, when you smell a tasty food, see it or think about it, digestion begins. Saliva begins to form in your mouth. When we eat the food, the teeth cuts and grinds the food and the saliva gets mixed with it. This chewed food then goes into the food pipe. The food pipe is also called as the esophagus. From there, food then enters the stomach. It is a bag of digestive juices. The liver also produces juices which help in digestion. The food then reaches the small intestine. It is very long and coiled. All the nutrients from the food are absorbed here. Finally, the digested food goes into the large intestine. From here, the food is removed out of the body through the anus. Now I understand how the digestive system works.